What's up guys, I'm bringing you the MTech USA MT424 series tactical folding knife. Some of the features it has is multi-featured folding rescue knife with razor sharp blade, seatbelt cutter and glass breaker, secure line locking blade of 440 stainless steel with a matte black finish, black aluminum handle for textured grip. Features include convenient belt buckle and easy open thumb stud. Knife measures 4.75 inches closed and 7.875 inches open with a 3.25-inch blade. This knife is great, it's sharp, and it gets the job done.